Hey everyone, ready for a shot of good news from around the world? Let's dive in. First up, Australia just wiped out $10 billion in student loan debt. That's a huge weight lifted for hundreds of thousands of Aussies, making education more affordable and giving graduates a real chance to get ahead. Next, Australia's also investing $300 million to support Indigenous conservation projects. It's not just about preserving land, it's about honouring cultures and empowering communities to protect their own heritage. Now, check this out. Helsinki, the capital of Finland, went an entire year without a single traffic death. That's what happens when a city puts people before cars, safe streets, happier families. In Africa, scientists have developed a new mRNA vaccine that actually stops malaria transmission in its tracks. Imagine the lives saved if we can finally beat this disease for good. Meanwhile, doctors have created a new patch for the heart. It helps damaged hearts heal and beat stronger, a real breakthrough for millions living with heart disease. Across the globe, Albania is fighting plastic pollution with a massive cleanup of the Drin River. It's a community effort, showing how local action can make a big difference for the planet. And in Britain, after 6 long years, the country's rarest bird has finally raised chicks again. It's proof that conservation works. There's also a new real-time emissions tracking tool, putting the power to cut pollution into everyone's hands. Knowledge is power, and now we can all see exactly what's happening to our air. In Hawaii, a new tourism tax is being used to help cover the costs of climate change. Visitors chip in to help protect paradise for the future. And finally, Ireland has officially ended coal burning. The country's old power plants are shutting down for good, a huge leap towards a greener future. So, if you're ever feeling down about the world, remember, good things are happening all around us, every day. Thanks for watching, and stay hopeful.